students, welcome to our channel in Adbhut Kids Foundation. In today's video, we are going to share and talk about ASDs in part 5, which is care is available. So if you are watching our video for the first time, then don't forget to watch our previous videos for better understanding. We have already uploaded ASDs in part 1, 2, 3 and 4, and if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and must press the bell icon so that all our videos reach you first. So let's start without any delay. In today's video, we will do care is available is parts of the system of care, reducing the impacts, early start data model, use of evidence-based practices EBPs, findings for birth to age 22, findings for birth to age 22 and older, established treatment birth age 22, emerging treatment birth to 22 age, established treatments for birth to 22 age, treatment for adults 22 plus years. How can we implement EBPs? Working within a system, critical in stabilizing systems level support for use of a practice. So let's start, and its care is available. So part of the systems of care is parents and siblings of the child, educational rehabilitation services of admin, medical care, commercial insurance and Medicaid, mental health cares and housing HUD section 8. Reducing the impacts. Can anything reduce this impact? This is our question already. So intensive early intervention reduce this cost by 2 or 3. So early start dynamic model. This model is a method on intervention developed for very young children, and it draws from a number of different sources, both theories and science. It's promising results in children as young as 12 months. You saw me. It's elicit eye contact, do vocal imitation, elicit sound effects. So ESDM study happened with 48 children age of 18 to 30 months, toddlers with same level of functioning. Then they divided it in two groups. One is ESDM, early start dinner model, and one is other community program therapies. So in ESDM, there is IQ plus 18 points, means 7 children's improved diagnosis in overall skills. And in other community program therapies of second group is IQ plus 6 points, and only one children improved diagnosis in overall skills. Use of evidence-based practices. Evidence-based practices EBPs have been shown to produce positive outcomes. Use of funding to support interventions known to be effective. Preserve time to use on interventions that work. So, developing evidence-based practices in ASDs, there's two key projects that identify evidence-based practices for ASDs. First is National Professional Development Center for Autism, NPDs and ASDs, National Autism Center, National Standard Project. These are out of country, but in India we can see Center for Autism in Delhi. Yeah. So findings for birth to age 22. So there is 14 established interventions that have been thoroughly researched and sufficient evidence for use to confidently state that they are effective, and 18 emerging interventions that have some evidence of effectiveness but not so for the national standard project to identify them as being fully effective or meeting their criteria for established, and 13 unestablished interventions identified for which there's no sound of effectiveness. And next is findings for adults age 22 and older. So there's one established intervention that's been thoroughly researched and has sufficient evidence for the national standard project to confidently state that it's effective, and one emerging intervention that have some evidence of effectiveness but not enough for the national standards project to be confident that it's truly effective. So additional research needs to be done, and four unestablished interventions for which there was no sound evidence of effectiveness identified. So these 14 established treatments based on the national standard projects include behavioral interventions and established treatment for birth to age 22. So these behavioral interventions, cognitive behavior intervention packages, comprehensive behavioral treatment for young children, language training for production, modeling, natural teaching strategies, parents training, paid training packages, pivotal response training, schedules, scripts, self management, social skills packages, social based interventions, and emerging treatments for birth to 22 ages. There is AAC device, which is augmentative and alternative communication devices, and developmental relationship based treatments, exercises, exposure packages, functional communication training, imitation based intervention, initiation trainings, language training for production and understanding, massage therapies, multi-component packages, music therapy, picture exchange communication system, which is PACS. There's a 6 steps in PACS, so we use that. So reduction or reductive packages, sign instructions, technology-based interventions, social communication intervention, structured teaching. There is unestablished treatment for birth to 22 ages. So there is animal assisted therapy. There we use animals with assisted therapies and auditory integrated training, concept mapping, DIR or flow time givings, and facilitated communication, casein free diets, movement based intervention, sense theater interventions, sensory intervention packages, shock therapies, which is rarely used and denial, and social behavioral learning strategies, social cognitive intervention, and social thinking interventions. Next is treatments for adults 22 plus years. There's two treatments or therapies like established intervention for behavior intervention, which is applied behavior analytic interventions to increase adaptive behaviors and decrease challenging behaviors, and emerging interventions for vocational training packages. And second one is unestablished intervention, which is cognitive behavior intervention packages, modeling, music therapy, and sensory integration packages. How can we implement EBPs? So there is 4 types of implementation. How we can is, first is awareness of evidence based practices. In this helps us know which treatments have evidence for effectiveness and which treatments do not, and allows us to make informed decisions when we select treatments. Then provides us with the opportunity to support individuals with ASD in reaching their full potentials. The next is implementation of evidence based practices. Knowing is an important first step. Implementation fidelity is a critical factor, and implementing an intervention in the same manner in which it was done in the evidence based research. So, next is reaching implementation fidelity. So, there's implementers needs to learn as much as possible about a practice. So determine if it is a good fit for the learner and the context in which it will be implemented. Then identify the implementation steps and use the practice as it was intended. Then monitor their use of the practice to ensure they are not drifting from the practice, and collect data on the learners to ensure that it is having the desired effect. Now, implementation fidelity refers to implementing the intervention in the same manner as the research describes. So, working within a system. So, how can we work in a system? So, there must also be system level support, which is buy in an administrative or leader support of the practice, support for training and coaching for implementers, availability of materials that may be needed to implement a practice, willingness to self evaluate and use learner data to make decisions, willingness to be flexible when necessary, but also to be stringent with the use of things that are working. Then next is system. There needs to be a commitment and support in order to effectively implement evidence-based practices. Then criteria in establishing system level support for use of a practice. So by in an administrative or leader support of the practice, same types like work with a system in, there must also be system level supports. So basically, if we work support level system, then we will implementation of EBPs, and then we will get better outcomes. That's all for today's video, and thank you so much for watching our video, and stay tuned for the next topic and video. So till then, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like and share. Stay tuned for the next video.